Quantum Computing Explained: Why it's the next big thing in technology. Ever felt like your brain is a tangled mess of thoughts all happening at once? Well, imagine a computer that can do the same thing, but way faster and more complex. That's quantum computing, folks! Before we get started, welcome to another episode of Tech Too Fast, where imagination meets acceleration in the tech lane. Now, let's break it down. What is quantum computing? First, there is quantum bits or qubits. Unlike classical bits, 0 or 1, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously due to a phenomenon called superposition. In a classic computer, bits are like tiny switches, either on or off, 0 or 1. But qubits, the quantum equivalent, are like those weird cats that are both alive and dead until you look at them. They can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. And then, there is quantum entanglement, where two particles become magically linked, no matter the distance. It's like a long-distance relationship. No matter the distance, you are still connected. This allows quantum computers to perform mind-boggling calculations simultaneously. So, what can we do with this quantum magic? First, exponential processing power. Quantum computers can perform multiple calculations simultaneously, offering exponential speed-ups over classical computers for certain tasks. And second, solving complex problems. Quantum algorithms can tackle problems that are intractable for classical computers, such as drug discovery, where it is simulating molecular interactions to identify potential drug candidates. And then, material science, where it's designing novel materials with specific properties. Next is artificial intelligence, where it can help develop advanced AI algorithms. And lastly, cryptography, where it can break the current encryption methods and developing quantum-resistant encryption. Well, the possibilities are endless. We could develop revolutionary drugs, create super strong materials, and even crack the toughest codes. It's like having a superpower, but for computers. Before we continue on our journey, let me ask you something. Are you excited to know about other technological stuff from our channel? Of course you are! Now, like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell icon to get notified on our next videos. Don't forget to share. Remember, sharing is caring. Let's continue. We mentioned about superheroes and superpowers a while ago. And like any other superhero, quantum computers have their weaknesses. They're incredibly sensitive to noise and interference. It's like trying to balance a spinning top in a hurricane. And let's not forget the pesky problem of error correction. It's a bit like herding cats, but with even more quantum weirdness. Despite these challenges, scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to harness the power of quantum computing. With each breakthrough, we're one step closer to a future where quantum computers revolutionize the way we live and work. So, buckle up, folks, because the quantum revolution is coming. Are you still confused? Don't worry, you're not alone. Quantum computing is a complex topic, but it's also incredibly exciting. If you want to learn more, check out the upcoming videos in our channel where we might expand this topic. Until next time, keep quantum curious.